In this video we will talk about string. A data structure called string is used to represent text, and basically it's a sequence of different symbols or characters. We will talk about objects later, but it's good to know that every string in your program is an object. What we also need to know is that the string is immutable. We will talk about this later. The string cannot be changed, and if the new string is created, then the old string remains the same. First we will look how we can create a string, and here are different examples. So we can use both double quotes or single quotes to represent string, and string starts with a quote and ends with a quote. Also, triple quotes or three quotes can be used to represent string. In order to have a multiline string, we have to use three quotes. Here are some examples. So we can both use three double quotes or single quotes. Also, what we can do, we can use a special character to indicate new line, and this is represented as backslash and n. And the last string here, you can see this is 2. This will be in 3 different lines. So this backslash n is basically a new line character. Also, if we want to use quotes themselves inside the string, then we have to be aware that inside double quotes we can use single quotes and vice versa. If you want to use single quote inside single quoted string, then we have to escape it. Escaping means that we add backslash before the symbol. So the second line here is a single quote inside single quoted string, but we use backslash to escape the one single quote we would like to have inside the string, because otherwise the string would end with this single quote. What we can also do, we can concatenate strings using plus. So basically here are two strings, hello and world, and we concatenate them and we will get one string which is hello world together. And also we can use multiplication or asterisk to kind of multiply the same string. So here is an example of hi, and we multiply it 3 times, then we get hi, hi, hi.